this dream. I used to have it all the time when I was a child.
Somehow I got some kind of gene. I mixed some chemicals to make myself turn into a female.
Since I was little, I would frequently have these dreams about dinosaurs.
When you were a child, what kinds of things would scare you?
I was afraid of my dad. Yeah.
And it has to do with your father?
Probably. That rings true.
And so, but they are here to guide us. The fact that Kathleen remembers this dream from when she was, what, 7-ish? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
And her mind made up the symbol of the dinosaurs. Very private. This is a very private dream. We're coming towards you, and it was scary for you.
Yep.
So I woke up from this dream this morning, and in the dream, I was about 17 years old again. And in it, I had learned that I got lung cancer. They did smoke in the house and stuff back when I was that age.
So what was going on in your life when you were 17, Devon?
Just dealing with being a teenager and having depression. In the dream, you know, if you're looking at a picture of me from behind, then it's going to be on the right side.
Know about the masculine and feminine, the left and the right. Are any of you familiar with this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There's something about breathing. Let me get it. Oh, you said some people around you smoked?
Yeah.
How
many? All my parents smoked.
3 words about what you were depressed. So I'd like you to write down those 3 words, and I'd like you to do a little essay regarding your own depression. I'm no counselor, but I think there's something that is trying to be said here. So I'd like you to remember the things that I said about the masculine side and something foreign that you don't want to have any part of. This dream is relating to life symbols for you. Mostly all dreams do. But this one particularly, it's very, very personal, or it wouldn't be part of your body.
In the dream, we were with my mom, and there was like an outside restaurant.
When we leave this body, yes, the body is not moving anymore, but our minds, our soul is quite alive. Take a look at what was going on in your life 6 months after his passing. And write it down. I'd love to talk with you about that. But I do have a method, and it's nothing new, really. So when you wake and you have a memory of the dream, you can write it right then. You don't even need to open your eyes. In fact, here's the irony. When you open your eyes, the veil drops. So it's even better to write at least a word that you just got from your dream. Just write that word without even opening your eyes. It's happened many times. I'll get up in the morning, go to the bathroom and go, I knew I didn't have a dream. And I look at that pad and there's a word. I would never have guessed I wrote that word, but I did.